Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today I am going to explain to you a very interesting topic. In this topic, first I am going to ask you a question. Now, what is this question? Have you seen a magnetic needle always pointing in north-south direction? Now, why does it do that? What is it made up of? Let us try to understand this in Magnet Introduction, Field and Discovery. Shall we start with the introduction and discovery of magnets? So what are magnets? These are the substances which can attract iron. Now can you see here, the magnet as it moves near the pieces of iron, they get attracted towards it. What happens? As it moves towards the pieces of iron, they get attracted towards it. Now, where did we discover this? A mineral of iron called as magnetite, is the first natural magnet that we observed, and it was found in Asia Minor. This magnetite is also known as lodestone. What did we learn? Here we learned that as we move a magnet towards pieces of iron, they get attracted towards it. Also, we found a mineral of iron called as magnetite, and that was the first natural magnet, and it was found in Asia Minor. Now, magnetite is also known as lodestone. Let's move on to the type of magnets. There are two types, and first of that is a natural magnet. Now, what's a natural magnet? We have just talked about that. Lodestone or magnetite, that is a natural magnet. These are the magnets that were found by us. Now, can you see a picture of this? You can clearly see here, they are weak in strength and there is no definite shape and size. They are weak in strength and there is no definite shape and size. Let's move on to the second type of magnet, that is artificial magnet. Now these magnets are made up of iron or steel and they can be made in different shapes and sizes. Now you can see in the diagram, we have a bar magnet, a button magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet and a ring magnet. I am pretty sure you must have seen a bar magnet as well as a horseshoe magnet. Now since these magnets are artificial, they are strong. Unlike our natural magnets, they are not weak but they are very strong. Let's move ahead and talk about magnetic materials now. Magnetic materials are the ones which are attracted by magnets. Now you can clearly see here we have iron or steel which is getting attracted towards a magnet. Now in the next diagram we have non-magnetic materials. Now these materials, from the name itself we can understand, they are not attracted by magnets. So you can see pieces of paper or wood, they are not getting attracted towards the magnet. So what did we learn? Here non-magnetic materials don't get attracted by magnets and magnetic materials are attracted by magnets.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.